The application, which sought to set aside the orders of Justice Derek Hatchon presiding as the single judge on July 19th, ordered that the full hearing would be on August 1st for substantive arguments. Deputy Opposition Leader James Nomane said that after listening to all arguments, the court has reserved the decision for Wednesday, July 31st, to set or set aside Judge Hatchon's earlier decision on the 19th of July.
Have the application of the first intervener, the Attorney General, which sought to set aside the orders of Judge Hudson, which was to have the substantive matter heard on the 1st of August. So after having listened to all arguments, the full court of the Supreme Court has reserved their decision for Wednesday the 31st to either set aside the decision of Judge Hudson to have the substantive matter heard on the 1st of August or allow it to proceed.
First intervener in the matter, Attorney General Pila Niningi, said that for the case to proceed, there must be evidence to support it.
The case to proceed, the witnesses or evidence must be collected and compiled in an applications book or appeal book or whatever you call the book. And if any facts that we disagree, then those facts will be tried out. Those things are not yet done. And tomorrow, 3 of the 4 or 5 days' time, the case substantive hearings will take place.
Mr. Nomane challenged the Prime Minister and the government to stop their delay tactics and deal with the vote of no confidence on the floor of Parliament.
This is why the opposition's in court, because there's an absolute breach of the Constitution. And this current government under the Prime Minister Marape has failed to uphold the tenets of the Constitution.
The Attorney General's lawyers have filed to set aside the orders set for August 1st and vacate the hearing of the substantive application, arguing for the orders to be set aside. Mr. Niningi then called on the opposition to follow the procedures of the courts.
Follow the procedures and Supreme Court rules and National Court rules, and rules are there to guide us. You have to go by the book. That's our main application. We are not here to delay the proceedings. That's not what we are here. We don't have any reasons to delay it. We have the number. We will defeat them on the floor of Parliament.
Meanwhile, Deputy Opposition Leader James Nomane reiterated that the opposition remains committed to the case and looked forward to the outcome.
You should allow the vote of no confidence to take place on the floor of Parliament and test your numbers. Country and bagarab. Osem nol gara member stop nol struggle deal with more people blow plus blow. So we expect that the full court will make the decision on Wednesday to allow the substantive matter to be heard on the 1st. So we can have Parliament recalled in August so that we can allow the vote of no confidence to proceed and we can appoint a new Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea to get the country back on track. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the whole reason why we came to court this morning, because our good friends on the other side are trying to play simple delay tactics. We've had enough of delay tactics. The country's had enough. That's why we came to court. We won't preempt any decision of the full court. We'll allow them to make the decision, and we'll be back on Wednesday to receive the outcome of the Supreme Court decision.
Tamara Agavi, National EMTV News.